Hi folks, welcome to Kev's Shed once again. This time I'm going to make a shoehorn out of a simple log, carving it, and I'm doing a little dog's head on it. The main reason for this is that I read recently that one of the main causes of the virus, the coronavirus coming into your home, is actually from your shoes when you're walking around, and so we've implemented a no shoe policy in our house. The shoehorn, for those of you who have never seen one, is to assist you in putting the shoes back on, especially boots like I have here. So, here's my boots. You simply put the shoehorn, which has got a smooth section here, put it in, and you put your foot in. And it's so easy. There we go. Another really cool feature is we don't have guns down here in Australia, so this makes a nice handy weapon to keep by your door. I'm just joking about the weapon, of course. We don't need weapons down here. Another handy feature is you can always use the shoehorn as an effective social distancing tool as well. There you go. Stay away at distance.